I'm over here. Open up a little wider, can you?
Oh.
You're kind of stuck in there. You're bleeding a lot. You're biting too hard.
Oh.
Yeah, you're biting way too hard. You need to sit down. You've been talking? Don't talk anymore. There's a clot right there. Come over here and take a look.
Very cool.
Come here. Can you move your jaw? Ew, don't be gross. Take some water and rinse a little.
Put water on my mouth?
Yeah, you can. Very little. Not too much. Oh, you're drooling. Oh, now put your head over and spill it, you jerk.
Okay.
Oopsie. John, you're getting blood and water everywhere.
Okay.
Yes. Stop oopsieing. Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Okay.
All right, stick your tongue out. No, not me. Stick your tongue out. All right, put your tongue back in.
What?
Swallow.
Okay.
Yes, try.
I don't know how to do that.
Take a little sip of water and learn how.
Okay. I got no muscle control. I lost my muscle control.
All right, listen, this isn't funny. You got blood everywhere. Open your mouth and face me. Open. Don't bite hard. All right, go lay down.
Oh
You're such a pig.
no.